Now when you buy your plants, make sure you get some sort of duster, something to kill the bugs. Picked up this here, and the reason being, before we even get a chance to put this in the ground, you can see that one caterpillar got on here and did all this damage. See, he's right there. Right there. This little thing here with his one buddy over there. This is one caterpillar eating. Just one. So make sure you pick up something to kill the worms, because they're going to get here as fast as they can if they're not already had eggs laid on these when you buy them. So pick up your thing to kill the worms and the creatures that are going to eat your crop.